On today's menu, a recipe so delicious and so easy you may just freak out. An extraordinary freekeh salad. Lei hou ma, that's how's it going in Cantonese. Welcome to Young Man Cooking, I'm Will Yeung. This recipe is so full of flavor and so simple to put together, it will easily become one of your absolute favorite recipes of all time. Before we get started, if you enjoyed today's episode, definitely give that thumbs up, leave a comment below, let's begin. 1 cup freekeh. This here is freekeh, and it's easily become one of my absolute favorite ingredients. It has a similar texture to brown rice, but this is durum wheat that's been roasted, so it has this kind of toasty, roasty flavor. Absolutely amazing. If you cannot find this, definitely sub it up for brown rice. That would be absolutely fantastic as well. 2 cups water. Medium-high heat. When the water begins to bubble, turn the heat down to medium-low. Give it a good stir, then cover and cook for 20 minutes. Rinse and drain a 400 ml canned chickpeas and place into a large mixing bowl. Chop 3 mini cucumbers into small cubes. Of course, you can use the regular English cucumbers, but I find the minis a little crunchier. This recipe is fantastic for 3 to 4 portions, but of course you can multiply to make more if you like. Add the cucumbers to the mixing bowl. About 15 grams of fresh parsley. Roughly chop the parsley. A gram more or a gram less, it's all good. Roughly chop about 10 grams of fresh mint, then add the herbs to the mixing bowl. Quarter cup hemp hearts. When the freekeh is done, you can fluff it with a rice paddle or a fork. To make the dressing, start with about a quarter cup of fresh lemon juice. Pour the lemon juice into a jar, followed by about a third cup of delicious fruity olive oil. 2 tablespoons tahini, 2 tablespoons za'atar, 1 teaspoon salt, fresh cracked pepper to taste. Make sure the lid is on tight, then give the dressing a shake to combine. By the way, this episode is a bit of a companion video to the recipe that's found in the brand new 4th cookbook, simply titled Dining In with Will. To grab your copy or to find out more information, you can definitely check out that web shop in the link in the description box below, or you can visit youngmancooking.com. Add the freekeh into the mixing bowl. Pour in half the dressing. Remember, you can always add more, but you can't take away. Give the salad a good mix. Plate the delicious salad generously. Sprinkle over some deliciously sweet pomegranate seeds, and serve with some tangy pickled red onions. You can now enjoy this delicious salad with absolute confidence. Man, what a beautiful looking dish. This is one of those dishes where it's so simple to put together, and yet it has amazing complex flavors. Visually, this dish is just stunning. With those earthy colors and the pop of purple and red, it is just beautiful. Right from that first bite, you are welcomed with really bold flavors and textures. The freekeh adds that body to this dish and has this really delightful tenderness. It absorbs a lot of that dressing, and it has this natural, smoky, roasty flavor. That earthiness is contrasted with the freshness from the cucumber, that crunchiness, The chickpeas add more body to the dish, and the pomegranate adds this explosion of natural sweetness. The dressing is tangy, it's salty, it has that really deep herb flavor from the za'atar, and everything is just wrapped up with that freshness coming from the parsley and the fresh mint. Those combinations of flavors and textures are just extraordinary. This is a dish you can serve on the busiest of weeknights, and yet it's beautiful and impressive enough to serve at an amazing dinner party. Like I always say, it's simple, delicious recipes that makes it so exciting to cook at home. If you love simple, delicious recipes like me, then definitely check out or pick up your copy of one of the 4 Young Man Cooking cookbooks. There's a print or digital version of these books. You can also check out the Young Man Cooking merch like the ceramic ramen bowl or that sushi masterclass, all in the link in the description box below, or you can visit youngmancooking.com. If you enjoyed today's episode, remember to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below. If you're not already subscribed with that notification bell clicked, remember to do so that we can cook together again in the next episode.